Hello and welcome back to the quick vlog. In our previous video, we have talked about case statements, and in today's video, we will be discussing on a new topic that is view. Before starting that, let's start with intro that is about view. A view is basically like a virtual table that is based on the result uh, set up by a query. It is just like creating a normal table, but it is a bit different because it allows user to simplify complex data retrieval by encapsulating SQL queries. Unlike physical tables, views do not store data themselves. Instead, they use or they pull data from the actual table and show them. So basically, view is like a virtual table or virtual representation of actual data or actual table. So if you make any changes in the table or in that main table, then it will automatically reflect those changes in our views. So views are basically created for making SQL queries simple, less complex, and reusable. Similarly, uh, the data is automatically reflects, so we do not need to run or we do not need to check every or we do not need to update in every tables. We can automatically view the result or view the changes through views. So it is a convenient way of viewing the table through a virtual table. Okay, let's start our video with our workbench. Okay, we are again working with the same database of previous videos. So if you haven't watched our previous video, it might get a bit confusing. So you can visit our playlist of MySQL and watch our previous video, which will make it more interesting and understandable for you all. Okay, we are using the database and now let's create a view. Create view as no, let's give a name. Employee. Employee experience. Okay. Let's create a view of employees experience and as select let's select name. No, first ID comma name comma join date. Okay, these are the column of the table employee. We have already created a table employee in the database where there are all those fields: ID, name, and join date. We want to let's evaluate how much experience they are or how long they have been working with us in our company. So we are making, suppose we are making this table for that, and we have selected ID, name, and join date, and we have to give the address or we have to give the table name from employee. And then after you can put condition where condition like where department is equals to this or department is equals to that. Okay, let's check department. Let's check the employees experience as per the department where they are working, in which department are they working. Okay, where department ID is equals to 1. Let's suppose we are checking the records of employees from department 1 only. Department 1 is the engineering department. Okay. After this, we can check the views table. Okay. We have successfully created, and if we want to see those views here, the views table or the virtual table will be shown in this uh, field or in this folder. We need to refresh it and look. Okay, here we have got our virtual table that is employee experience. And for that we need to, for seeing the result, it is similar as the other table, that is select all from employee experience. Okay, this is our required result, that is these three employees are working in engineering department and they are working since these dates. I hope you have got some knowledge, and if you want to make changes in here, you can make changes like department 2. So we are again going to, sorry, we need to change the name because it is similar to table. So we cannot name the table multiple table with same names. So we are going to make a change with S at experiences. Okay, now it will make change. Sorry, what is the error? I guess. Okay, here is the error. Okay, we have already created a second table, that is employee experiences. It is for department ID 2. And if we select all, then this is from the department 2.